Today I'm going to show you a glimpse of what the students did in a recent workshop in my studio. I'm Pat Scrivener, a visual artist from Vancouver Island, Canada. Let's take a look. Here's a glimpse into my studio that is ready to accept the students into the cold wax and oil workshop. I've set up a little bit of a buffet of tools, tape, oil paints, mark making tools, scrapers, other media, and of course gloves. Now we're well into it with our first project of making 12 mini paintings on one full-size sheet of paper. We mix our paint with cold wax, 50-50 ratio to oil paint. Here's a look at some of the results as we progressed through the days. The students found out just how messy cold wax and oil is, and also by working with a primary palette, how they could mix colors and have their colors harmonious. We explored lots of mark making and pushing back our paintings, solvent reductions. If you're interested in a cold wax and oil workshop, stay tuned because I'm working on an online version. This was my demo painting. Here you see some wonderful marks. Lots of texture in this piece. Something a little bit more impressionistic. I think the students learned a lot and they really enjoyed themselves, and I did too. I love teaching, and I hope that one day I can connect with you in a workshop. Thanks for watching.